Okay. No, this needs to be made the same, all one sentence.
You gotta have a comma in.
Maybe I have to take this one out. I didn't like the inversion, the lack of agency, the lack of a subject, and I thought it's now simplified. This seems much better. Which the flat recorders no sooner perceived than found reasons to confirm their print to support. This is good. And then moving on.
And so, like a creature of his own making, he liked him more and more.
Oh.
Well, that you can't go back to that because that's completely messy in Sidney.
Well, it's just a question of inverting the clauses.
Okay.
Should we do it?
Oh, okay. Yeah, so go ahead. Yeah,
Mm.
I would invert the clause.
I mean, I wouldn't mind acts in a comedy on stage, with the on stage being the last thing. But stage has to be the last word in it to make it make sense. I love that. Oh, that is so beautiful. That's a gorgeous sentence.
And you don't want or before. You just
No,
want
or's good.
That made me
Has made me,
bestow more words than I confess of basis subject deserves. It's not bad.
Okay.
That's good.
Then I
that's
confess.
really tracking the original, right?
We worked to find meaning.
We did.